Alright guys, I run the final here for Joe Bowles' Chinooks Tailgater set. Go live. (8:44 p.m.) 8:44 p.m. Grab a list here. Here's these 4. 10 spots at 7. Alright. 10 spots. Gonna drop those in the random. 10 entries. Joel on the bottom, Aaron on top. Alright guys, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, it's not high enough. Gonna roll again. 8, there we go, 8 times. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is at 8. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 8. Congrats, John Teglia. You are the winner. Get in touch with Joe Bowles and get your bobblehead. We are done. 8:45. Go back. Type done. We are done. 8:45. 8:45. Here is verification and timestamp.